the Sydney bushfire smoke. The scientific name for fire is combustion. Now, a fire is a chemical reaction where you have the reactants, basically the ingredients if you were to cook something. In this case, the ingredients for fire is a fuel source such as wood and oxygen. In the presence of a heat source, this will give the products of water and the carbon dioxide gas. Now, this reaction depends on the amount of oxygen ingredient present in the air. When less oxygen is around, the gas released is carbon monoxide, a deadly gas when inhaled in high doses. This is the same gas released from the back of cars caught up in Sydney's M5 tunnel, the main reason why we have to keep our windows up in the tunnel. So how is carbon monoxide deadly? Well, humans carry oxygen around in red blood cells. If carbon monoxide is inhaled, these red blood cells pick up the carbon monoxide quicker than they do the oxygen, blocking the oxygen from entering the red blood cells. Thus, oxygen does not make its way around the body. Cells are starved of oxygen, which equals you feeling tired, lethargic, and in high doses equals damage to tissues not receiving oxygen.